Acting like something you aren't to get a baddie is never a good idea. It will be hard to keep up the act, and chances are you won't feel good about yourself. But don't worry, you can be yourself and get a beautiful girl. First, introduce yourself with confidence. Don't wait too long or stare without saying anything, because girls think that's creepy. Just make eye contact, walk over, and say, "Hi, I'm Tony. How are you?" Next, use what you have in common to keep talking. Comment on your setting, like the park pond, or ask about a book she is reading. Take it slow and don't ask her out right away, which just causes pressure. Instead, get her info by asking, "Is it all right if I contact you sometime?" This lets her choose how to reach out. Finally, leave first to avoid appearing desperate. Just say, "Well, it's been nice talking to you, but I've got to get back to work. I'll hit you up later." Remember, confidence and honesty is the best way to win her heart.